This standard-duty air hammer is handy whether you're cutting panels, fixing exhaust systems, or making general repairs. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price. Powered by compressed air, this tool delivers a 2/5/8" stroke and 3,500 blows per minute, BPM, and is equipped with a quick-change retainer that makes it easy to swap chisels. Its rugged design sports an alloyed steel barrel and a heat-treated piston. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price.